we're gonna go check it out.
I'll try to see how much it costs.
That was a rough night of sleeping because we didn't bring a mattress. That wasn't too bad.
No.
I think we're gonna do some flying today, but some people headed out last night and some might be going home today. We're gonna jet out probably later this evening. So yeah, all around great day yesterday. I got a lot of good footage. Alright, we're here at the Cleveland Aquarium. Are you excited to go see some fishies? We're doing this. This is it. We're here. Bro, you're a great smoocher, ain't you? Do you like the Cleveland Aquarium? I'm starving. Let's go see what they got for food.
So this fool is about to walk over to that big ass blue bridge to see if it's flyable. Hopefully he doesn't end up flying it, but it looks like he's going to attempt to because he's getting his stuff ready.
What's up? We're out here at Russell Park with Russell. About to maiden this BOT5. I've been trying to build this thing all weekend. We got that new RunCam racer in here. Let's see how that does. It's looking real fresh. The blue and the orange. Oh, nothing exploded. What's that smoke? I got video.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got the girls from Mali. Bitch, my gang, you lame. Billy trucking in the lane. Off the brain, I wanna stay the same. Put a chick on the chain. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch at the party. God. Who let me glad to watch it? God. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch in the party. God. Who let me glad to watch it? God.
I'm a blood, my brother Rippin, bitch, I'm drippin', oh you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin', I like hot sauce on my chicken. I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her teeth. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 20.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got the girls from Mali. Bitch, my gang, you lame. Billy trucking in the lane. Off the brain, I wanna stay the same. Put a chick on the chain. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch in the party. God. Who let me glad to watch it? God. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch in the party. God. Who let me glad to watch it? God. God.
Look at me, I'm quad vlogging again. Some of you long time try again subscribers probably know all about the quad vlogging. So yeah, I just made in this BOT5 and fucking wonderful. This best flying quad to date. I'm in love with it. I only flew one pack here. I'm cutting it short because I want to break this thing. So we're gonna do, I think we're doing some shit tomorrow. We're one more night here in Cleveland. Oh yeah, I've been fighting to fix this thing all weekend. I finally got it buttoned up, hovered, brought it here to the playground, performed outstanding. Some of the best packs of the weekend right here at this little playground with my boy Russell. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut it short because I don't want to break this bad boy. I got some flying to do tomorrow with Verb and the crew. So I think we're calling it right now. I'm gonna shut this baby down. We're gonna go nurse our wounds, charge some